Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode 234 of Trading Talk. In this week's episode, our senior trader Matt shows you how to build a volatility-based exit strategy. Now this is the type of exit you might want to consider adding to your models, especially in these current volatile market conditions. For those of you who don't know, we've just announced our second speaker for this year's Algo Trading Conference and I can't wait to see him present. We're bringing Johann Christian Lotter over from Germany, and at this stage, it looks like he's going to be presenting up to 4 different models based on completely different concepts. Johann is very experienced in building algos, having built over 1,200 for hedge funds, prop firms, and other private traders. And along with Nick Raj, who'll be presenting an intraday portfolio-based share trading model, attendees will get to see a really diverse range of models, trading multiple products and timeframes. Also, we've been getting a lot of inquiries lately from traders wanting help building algos to trade these current market conditions. Now, as the saying goes, everyone is a genius in a bull market. Well, a lot of those geniuses are now starting to question their IQ as they're not sure whether they're buying the dip or catching a falling knife. There's only one way to move forward with confidence, and that is build, test, and trade your algos. We hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.